All about cosmos, part 1. We have a couple other videos about cosmos since there's so much information to share. So let's get started and I'll describe those videos at the end. Cosmos are heat-loving flowering annuals that are easy to grow by sprinkling some seeds in the garden after any danger of frost has passed. These classic cottage garden flowers reach full maturity in about 2 months. Cosmos can be slower to germinate, but it then blooms quickly and continues to flower throughout the fall. Flowers top longer stems, and when many seeds are planted, cosmos will form a cloud of color all summer that attracts bees, butterflies, and birds to your garden. Cosmos flowers look a lot like daisies. They come in a broad range of colors: golden, yellow, white, pink, magenta, orange, yellow, red, chocolate, with more cultivars developed every year. If you plan to grow cosmos in the southeastern U.S., consider keeping them as potted plants since they tend to be invasive there. Depending on species, cosmos grows 1 to 6 feet tall and 1 to 3 feet wide, and are hardy in USDA zones 2 through 11. Welcome to the James Plosko channel, all about plants. Cosmos care. Cosmos grow easily in beds and make great cut flowers. When established, the plants can handle drought, poor soil conditions, and general neglect. They even self-sow. This is a truly low-maintenance plant you may leave alone for years. Plan cosmos to be an area with good airflow so the leaves will not be wet for too long. Otherwise, the plants may develop disease or attract unwanted pests. Growing instructions. For the best flowering, choose a site that gets full sun. Cosmos will grow in partial shade but will have fewer blooms and be less vigorous when planted in shady areas. At least 6 hours of full sun is best. These plants will also thrive under uninterrupted full sun in the hottest conditions, much like their native habitat, the arid regions of Mexico and Central America. Soil. Cosmos grows in poor soil where many flowering plants languish. They perform best in medium moisture, well-drained soils. They will perform adequately in dry soils. Avoid planting in rich soil. It can cause the plants to get too tall and flop over. You can prevent drooping by staking the plants or growing them close to other plants that can support them. Water. Once established, you only need to water your cosmos plants unless there's a prolonged drought. Where water is limited, these are the last plants that require irrigation. Hot weather is ideal for cosmos, and they thrive in any humidity level. Fertilizer. Fertilizing can negatively impact cosmos. Cosmos can handle poor soil. Too much fertilizer can often lead to strong plants with lots of foliage but few blooms. Unless your plants seem to be struggling, these plants do not need fertilizer. We only recommend bloom booster fertilizer at half strength only one time early in the season and when they begin to bloom. Check out our other plant videos. Here's a quick sampling. We have canna lilies, pennywort, large elephant ear, lamb's ear, canna lily. Check out these other videos about cosmos and be sure to like and subscribe and give us a comment. Thanks for watching.